Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Monday. Yes, a new week. When Monday, in today's newspaper of June the 7th, 2021. Yes, on a Monday, we have here one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but we have also a puzzle page, an additional with extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku we have 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. Total of 7 extra Sudokus and 1 regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. And first I will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 2907. Yes, 2907. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes to solve. So for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And a 4 stars, more than 30 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see. Let me see. An 8 in this column, an 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And then, I cannot continue with the 8. Yeah. All right. Another digit. In this big square, we have a 4 in this row. We have a 4 in this column, the middle column. So no 4 in these boxes. No 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 4, we have a pair. All right. Then let me see. 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 296, 296, and look, we have a 9 and a 6 in this column. So no 9 and a 6 in this box. The 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row should be the number 2. All right. Then 5, 6, 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. All right. Let me see. Yeah. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There, 9, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then. Yeah. 6, 5, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair, 6 and a 5. Okay. 7. Okay. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Overlooked. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 5 and 3. No, 3. We have 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then. How about the 9 in the third row? 9 in the row above. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 6. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. 6 and a 7. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Here we have 1 and a 4. This should be the 5. Okay. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now I have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4, alright, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. The 9 also, yes. Forget the 9. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this big square. So no 4 in this box. The 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, all right. Then, how about 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now I have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 1 number left in the third row for the number 2. Now I have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now I have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. 2 stars? No. I think rather a 1 star, because I'm faster than 50 minutes and I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku mediums. Playlists for the tectonics, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus, for the 1, 2, 3, and the 4 stars, the light Sudokus, the heavy Sudokus, the killer Sudokus, the quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist for. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great Monday. Fantastic Monday. And we will see you later with the extra Sudokus in this additional. See you then. Bye-bye for now.